Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have an ASUS laptop. This is an ASUS X571G. The exact model for this one is an X571GD-BQ234T. That information can be found on the bottom, is taken off the bottom laptop. And in this video I'm going to go over how you can open it up and how you can replace or remove, and what are the combination of the storage that you can have in here, and what are the best suitable storage. They do come with a solid state drive sometimes, and sometimes they only being shipped out with a mechanical drive. And before we do anything in here, just remember, once you remove or upgrade the hard drives, you need to back up your files and you have to reinstall the Windows. I made a really short video how to create your Windows 10 or 11 boot USB drive, and another video is the proper way of installing Windows on your ASUS laptops. I'll leave those links in the video description. So first thing first, you want to power off the laptop. You want to flip it upside down. If you have backed up your files, you're fine. If not, do a backup. For the opening tools and screwdriver set, I'll be using an UFIXTEK screwdriver set. And we're going to be using a Phillips #1. And for the opening tool, I'll be using a guitar pick. A metallic guitar picks are really suitable to opening cases and covers. Now, first thing first, we're going to remove the back two rubber legs right in here. Put the opening tool right underneath and just lift it up. Same thing here. Put it right underneath and lift it up. Next, we're going to remove all the screws, 4 at the back line and 2 on the front end of the laptop. We're going to start removing all of them. All the screws are the same size and height, so don't worry about mismatching them. Also, if you guys like my content, helps you guys out, you can support the channel by clicking that like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. It helps and motivates me to make more videos, take requests, and answer your questions in the comment area. Alright, now that we remove all the screws, we want to grab the laptop. We are going to put it in this angle, and so you guys can see it. We're going to put the opening tool or guitar pick in between the bottom cover. We're going to just wiggle it around. We want to hear those big click sounds. Those are what we want to hear all around. Go in the corner, do the same thing in the corners. Make sure you hear those big sounds. Go all the way to the bottom corner front, left and right side. There we go. Now all you need to do is just grab from one corner, wiggle it around, and it will release itself right there. And we can see the mechanical drive right here, and this one is being upgraded to a Crucial Micron SSD, but this one, as you can see right away, is not an NVMe because there's a 2-notch right on it. And this motherboard does support an NVMe SSDs. The NVMEs, they have little 1 notch on them, and they are much faster. There's one right there. So in order to do any upgrade, you don't have to remove the battery, but for those people that are paranoid, if you want to remove the battery, 1, 2, 3 screws and lift up the battery, but you don't need to. To remove the M.2 SSD, there's only one screw at the back end. You need to lose that screw, put it to one side, and the M.2 will come out in 10 or 15 degrees. All you need to do is to grab it and slide it out in the same angle. Okay? This is a 250 gig, 500 gig, what's called Crucial M.2. You can replace it with an NVMe version. I would recommend you guys to go with a Samsung Pro. This is a Western Digital for demonstration. You want to make sure the notch matches the notch on the DIMM. 10-15 degrees all the way in. Bring it down and put the screw right over. Okay. So these are the M.2 SATA connectors. These are the same speed as a regular SATA 2.5 inch, but NVMEs are much faster. So I recommend you guys to put an NVMe SSD right over here. And for the second storage, you can go over the board and replace your mechanical storage with an SSD big capacity up to 2 terabyte. You can go 2 terabyte here, 2 terabyte over here, low profile hard drives, or you can go with a 2 terabyte SSD drives right in here, so you have a fast transfer rate in between both of them. To remove this one, first you want to put your fingernail, I don't want to have my finger, right under this trigger and lift it up 90 degrees upward and pull it back. Next, you want to just lift up this hard drive from the bottom, pull it up, and there we have it. This is a Toshiba 1 terabyte. If you get the new hard drive, let me see if I have one right over here maybe. I don't have an SSD on hand, but SSDs, they have pretty much the same interface. They look the same, identicals. So what you need to do is to remove this adapter from here. And just remember the position of this rubber caddy. Remove it, put it to one side, remove it, put it to one side. Grab the new hard drive or SSD. Imagine it's the same thing. Grab it. Put the rubber legs right in the holes. Right there. Grab the adapter. The adapter only goes in one way. Push it right in there. Put the caddy right in place. Okay. Once you have it in there, all you need to do is to grab this connector in 45-degree angle, put it right inside the jack or all the way in, and then close the lock right over. And that's how you upgrade the hard drives for this one. And the last thing would be to just grab the bottom cover, put it right on top, squeeze the corners down, and squeeze the sides down. And if you see any opening, just pinch them together. And the last thing would be to just grab the bottom screws and put them on the bottom cover. I hope this video helped you guys out to do your own upgrade. If you have any question or request, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Just gonna finish up putting up the bottom screws.